Introducing the 2023 Jeep Wrangler. The Jeep Wrangler, the rugged and iconic, adventure-loving four-wheel drive open-air SUV with the power and capabilities you need for your outdoor lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, navigation system, premium sound system, satellite radio, fog lamps, heated mirrors, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, Wi-Fi hotspot. Capable of going anywhere and always authentically you. Drive the Wrangler.